Hello, welcome to another immigration art video. My name is Art Serratelli, and together with Mara Mijal, the two of us, we are the law partners here at Serratelli Mijal PLLC. We handle all sorts of immigration questions. If you've got a question, we've got an answer. Send us an email or give us a call. Email is your best bet. The topic of today's video is F1 student status, the basics concerning optional practical training. I've already said two distinct things. One, F1 student status or student visa, and the second, optional practical training. What are those? So what is F1 student visa? What is that? You've been admitted to an American college or university. The college or university gives you paperwork. You take that paperwork to the United States Embassy in your home country and you present them with all the paperwork explaining your reason for coming to America to be a student. And then the consular officer of the United States Embassy says to you, approved. Here, give me your passport. I'll put a visa in there, and then this visa, show it to the guy at the border, and then you explain to the guy at the border you're coming in to study, and he will let you into America. The visa lets you in, and once you step into America, you have F1 student status. Your status in America is a student coming here to study and get all the benefits of studying. One of the benefits of studying is that once you earn your college or university degree, we, the United States, we allow you to stay in America for at least 1 full year and participate in a program called Optional Practical Training. Get this, Optional Practical Training is a period of 12 months initially, 12 months during which you can work full-time. You're still a student. You're not changing your visa status. You're not doing anything. You're still a student. You graduate, and you can keep working in America full-time for 12 months as long as the work you're doing is related to the degree you just earned. Let me explain a little bit about the OPT rules. I'm focusing on all the rules as they used to be prior to May of 2016. Number one, you just get a regular job. You get paid for work. You get on an American company, an American organizational payroll. You put in time, you exert effort, you create work product, bam, you get a paycheck. And at the end of the year, they report your earnings on something called a Form W-2. Number two, you could be self-employed. You can go get a business license, start your own little company, and offer your services as a contractor. You don't get put on a payroll. You offer your services to someone or some organization, and they just give you a lump sum of money, and you pay your taxes. You're responsible. With the employee on a W-2, the company, or the organization that employs you, they take the taxes out. The third thing you could do would be to perform tasks for an organization as a volunteer intern. The Department of Labor has certain rules that you need to follow if you're a volunteer intern. But basically, here's the gist of it. If you're doing some task that a company or an organization would ordinarily pay somebody to do, and you're doing it for free, well, the organization is breaking the minimum wage laws because you're really working because someone else would have been paid to do it if you didn't do it for free. You're really working for $0 an hour, and $0 an hour is less than the minimum wage. Or you could really be a volunteer intern, and if you follow the Department of Labor rules regarding volunteer interns, you can fulfill your learning on the job requirements of optional practical training. In America, for some reason, our high schools and our grade schools are failing our society. We are not producing enough students capable at the college and university level to excel in the STEM fields. STEM, science, S, T, technology, E, engineering, M, math. In the STEM fields. For some reason, the American public school system from kindergarten through 12th grade stinks. It's no good. And we need to reward international students who come here as F1 students who study STEM. Our society needs those people. This is what we did. We said, you know what? The 12 months of optional practical training everybody gets, you guys, the STEM international students on F1 visas, we're going to let you have an extra 17 months of optional practical training. If you studied STEM and if you're on OPT for 12 months, then if you're working for somebody who uses the E-Verify system, then you get an extra 17 months of OPT for a total of 12 plus 17 equals 29 months of OPT. Now, those were the rules that existed before May 2016. What happened in May 2016? And what are the public policy reasons for what happened in May 2016? And what is the public good encouraged by the May 2016 changes to the OPT rules?